Welcome to our channel. Medicaid provides free or low-cost health coverage to eligible individuals and families. Follow these step-by-step instructions to apply successfully. Step 1. Check if your state expanded Medicaid under the Affordable Care Act. Expansion states cover adults with incomes up to 138% of the federal poverty level. Step 2. Understand eligibility requirements including income limits, household size, citizenship or legal immigration status, and state residency. Requirements vary by state. Step 3. Gather required documentation including proof of identity, social security number, proof of income, proof of residence, and citizenship or immigration documents. Step 4. Apply through your state's Medicaid agency website, healthcare.gov, by phone, by mail, or in person at your local Department of Social Services office. Step 5. Report your income accurately, including all sources such as wages, Social Security, unemployment benefits, child support, and any other regular income. Step 6. Disclose household size correctly, including yourself, your spouse, and any dependents you claim on taxes. Household size affects income limits for eligibility. Step 7. Apply even if you're unsure about eligibility. Pregnant women, children, elderly individuals, and people with disabilities may qualify at higher income levels than other adults. Step 8. Respond promptly to requests for additional information or documentation. Missing deadlines or failing to provide requested documents can result in application denial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.